Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access and remove the recoil spring in your chainsaw. I'll begin by removing the top cover from the chainsaw. Now remove the starter assembly from the saw. Now I'll pull the rope from the starter and tie a knot in the center of the rope. I'll pull the rope from the starter handle and untie it. Now I can remove the handle and I'll untie the knot that I tied previously. Now I'll allow the rope to recoil into the starter. This removes the tension from the spring. The rope is secured to the starter pulley with this screw. I'll go ahead and remove it. Now I can remove the rope from the pulley. Now remove the screw that secures the pulley to the housing. I'll remove the starter pawl, the spring, and the pulley. As I remove the pulley, I'll make sure that the recoil spring disengages from the pulley so I don't accidentally pull it away from the housing. Now I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to remove the spring from the housing. The spring is still under tension, so you want to be careful when you do this. With the spring removed, I'll toss it aside on the floor somewhere safe and let it uncoil. And that's how you can access and remove the recoil spring from your chainsaw.